into a leadership position can be challenging initially. One, you still love to have that hands-on experience as an IP, and then moving into leadership, you don't have it as much. And so, of course, I think I would follow the same path as other leaders when they're first starting out, still trying to have your hands in the day-to-day activities, but also doing leadership. But then at a point, I had to stop and think about this, after multiple leadership trainings. How would, I have to ask my question all the time, how would you have liked if you were doing your role as an IP in any of your hospitals that you worked in and your leader was still doing the work alongside of you? How would you feel about that? And so I immediately had to transition away. I was like, you know what, we have to allow the infection prevention staff to do the work that they're empowered to do and serve as the champion in the background, the person that's going to remove barriers. That's ultimately my role, and also to encourage and influence and those sorts of things that leaders normally do. And so it took me about a year or so into that role to really start to sharpen those skills and focus on my role of making sure that the team felt supported. And I focused all of my energy in identifying opportunities that I can do that for them, and bring us together as a team, no matter which facility they're working in, so that we can create a support, a network, and know that anytime you need someone, we're always there for each other.